Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion. Today I'm going to share with you very interesting restaurant style mixed vegetable recipe. We always order this in the restaurant but never thought of making it at home, but it's very easy to make at home and really delicious. You will get the exact flavor that you get in the restaurant. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Now jump into the recipe. For making mixed vegetable, first I have taken 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Let it get nice and hot. Then add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Let it stutter for a few seconds. After that, I am going to add the chopped onion. Here I have taken 1 large sized onion and I have finely chopped it. And over medium flame I am going to saute it. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt, half a teaspoon of salt. This will help in softening or sweating the onion. And I'm going to fry them for 5 minutes on medium flame. Now after 5 minutes we are back again and you can see they are quite nicely caramelized and transparent. Now I'm going to add a paste which I have made using 2 teaspoons of ginger, garlic and green chilies paste. Here I have used 3 green chilies, half inch of ginger and 5 garlic cloves. Next I'm going to add puree of 2 medium-sized tomatoes and I'm going to fry them for 3-4 minutes over medium flame so that the rawness of the tomatoes goes away. Now you can see it started to release some oil and the tomatoes are cooked through. At this stage I am going to add butter, 1 tablespoon of butter. You can add more butter if you want, or you can use more oil as well, but I am going to make it just a little bit healthier. Now I am going to add some dry ingredients. First goes in half a teaspoon of turmeric. Then goes half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon I am using here, and fry them for a few seconds. Then I am going to add just a little bit of water, 1/3 cup of water for braising the masala. This will cook the masala and the onion, garlic, ginger and tomatoes together and enhance the taste of the gravy. This is a very important step, always do that. Now I am going to add the veggies. Here I have taken onion and diced it in big chunks. Next goes in baby corns, 5-6 baby corns, 1 cup of cauliflower florets and 50 grams of green peas which I have boiled. Then goes half of a carrot. Then goes 50 grams of French beans which I have cut into small pieces and 1 potato diced in medium size, and mix them together nicely. You can use your choice of vegetable for making this mixed vegetable, but these are available in the market near me, so I'm using this. Generally these are the veggies which are used. Next goes in salt according to the taste. I've already added some salt before, so use the salt wisely. Next I am going to add 3/4 cup of water. And let it simmer so that all the veggies get nice and soft. So I'm going to cover it, and over low flame I'm going to cook it for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes we are back, and you can see the vegetables are quite done. So I'm adding 100 grams of button mushrooms which I have sliced. How to clean and cut mushroom, I have already showed it in my previous mushroom videos. You can check that out. Next I am going to add half of yellow bell pepper which I have diced. Because these are soft vegetables and take less time to cook, so I'm adding this at the end, almost end. Now I have added half of green bell pepper, or we call it capsicum, which I have diced as well in the same way I have diced yellow capsicum. Next I'm going to cover it and cook it over high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm back again. Next I'm going to add 100 grams of paneer or cottage cheese and mixed again. You can fry the paneer if you want, but generally in restaurant they don't fry it. Just add them just like that. Make sure you use soft and fresh cottage cheese or paneer for this. Next I'm going to add half a teaspoon of garam masala and some crushed kasuri methi or dried methi leaves, and mix it together with all the vegetables. And I'm going to cover it, and over high flame I'm going to reduce the gravy for 3-4 minutes, and we are back after 3-4 minutes. So this is the consistency of the mixed vegetable. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream and mix it. That's it. Restaurant style mixed vegetable is ready, and in half of the cost you can make this at home that easily, and it tastes exactly the same you get in the restaurant. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section below. Trust me, your friends and family, especially family, are going to love this recipe. Serve this mixed vegetables with naan, paratha, roti, or even steamed rice. Enjoy! But don't forget to like the video, share and comment in the comment section below. Thank you.